Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some beautiful earrings from AliExpress. So let's see the first one. So this is the first ring. As you can see, this is the very natural pearl earring. This is the ring and this is the pearl. This is called water drop pearls. The material of the ring is actually silver, but this is the golden color. And the pearl is very natural freshwater pearl. As you can see, this is so beautiful and elegant, trendy also. It actually has two colors, the golden one and there is a white. This is the white one. This is pure silver and very good looking. Pearl is very natural and this is so trendy. You can see the ring. Now let's see the price of the ring. So you can see the previous price was $43.80 to $45.80, and now the regular price is $21.90 to $22.90. So you can see there's a huge discount on it. 50% discount. Wow, there is a huge 50% discount and the regular price is very reasonable. This is only $21 and it has very good ratings and feedbacks. You can see 5 stars, 93%. Wow, the earrings are very qualityful. You can see this, very beautiful and natural, good looking, with a very good pricing and it has a huge 50% discount. Now you can see the earrings. This is two color. This is the golden one. As you can see, this is so beautiful and so trendy. Wow, look at the color. So if you want to buy these beautiful earrings, you can just check the description. The link is given below. And now move to the next one. So this is the next earrings. You can see this earrings is natural freshwater pearl earrings for women, and this is very luxurious, very beautiful. You can see this is the pearl and this is the total ring. This is another color of the ring, blue stone and pearls, beautiful. This is the design of the ring. You can see this is so elegant. This is another one. This one is also so beautiful. This is full white pearl. The ring is basically golden color, but the pearl is fully white. So this is the 4 types of ring. Each and every ring is so beautiful. Now let's see the price. The previous price was $70 and now the regular price is $21.70. There's a huge discount on it, 69% discount, and you will get 5% discount on it if you buy 2. Wow, this is huge, 69% discount. And now the regular price is so reasonable and so affordable. It also has very good ratings. The feedbacks is very good and there's 5-star rating, 95%. So there's a very good feedback. You can see the feedback. This is the blue one, the blue stone, and this is the white pearl ring. You can see the pearl. Wow, this is another one. Wow, there is another design and you can see the design is very elegant, so trendy and very smart. So if you want to buy these beautiful earrings from AliExpress, there is a link given below in the description, just check it. So now move to our next earrings. So this is a very beautiful party pearl earrings for women. You can see this is the earring and there is a 3 and 4 pearls each one. This is white pearls, very beautiful and very natural. You can see the ring is actually golden color. The ring is silver based but color is golden, and the pearl is fully white. This is so beautiful, and it actually has this one color. There is no other option. Now let's see the price. The previous price of these rings were $3.89, and now the price is only $2.49. So this is a very good price with a good discount. You can see there is 36% discount on this ring. It's a big discount. You can just buy it with only $2.49. So let's check the feedback. Oh, there is 5-star, totally 100%. Very good feedback of this ring. So this is the ring. This earring is only for $2.49. You can buy this from AliExpress. So now let's check the next one. So the next earring is very beautiful freshwater pearl earrings for women. You can see this. It also has a stone on it, and there's a huge pearl, a golden based ring, white stone, and there is a big stone. So beautiful and pretty earrings, and this is very much gorgeous. There is no other color available on this. This is the only one color, which is very nice and very pretty. Now let's move to the price. The previous price of this beautiful earring was $37.49, and now the regular price is only $26.24. Wow, there is 30% discount on this ring. You can get this only for $26.24. So this is the ring, and the white pearl and stones are also white. There's big stone, and you can see the quality of the stones, and the pearl is completely freshwater natural pearl. This is very qualityful and very beautiful. The design is very unique and very luxurious, and you can buy this from AliExpress. So now move to our last one. Let's see. So the last earring is the pearl earring. This is called B-drop earrings. The pearl quality is so beautiful. You can see the pearls. This is the white pearl ring with a golden chain. And now there is another category of this ring. This is completely different design. You can see this. This is the pearl, the white pearl, and the ring is completely golden color, golden based. The material is silver, and this is the white pearl. So beautiful and pretty ring. There's two of it. So now let's check the price. The previous price of these rings are $29.78 to $32.91, and now the regular price is only $19.65 to $21.72. There is a huge 34% discount on it. You can see this price is after discount price, and you'll get instant discount if you buy two of it. You'll get 5% off. So now let's check the feedback. This 100% 5-star ratings. Wow, you can see 100% ratings on this. There's a very good feedback. You can just buy it from AliExpress. Just look at the earrings. This is so pretty. This is the white pearl, and this one is the golden portion of the ring. You can see, so trendy and so beautiful. The pearl is very gorgeous. And here's the another one, so fashionable and so pretty. Thank you so much for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let me know what is your favorite one. Write in the comment section. And if you like my video, if you like those rings, you can buy it from AliExpress. The link is given below in the description. You can check it if you want to buy the rings. Thank you so much for watching.